Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do click on the link below because you'll be able to visit our website to see what complete training has to offer you. Thank you! Today we're going to look at CPR and defib. Enjoy the video.
Primary survey and CPR. Danger, check the area for danger. Response, shaking gently. Hello, can you hear me? It's Lisa, I'm here to help you. Airways, 2-finger, tilt. Look, listen, feel. Look for the rise and fall of the chest. Can you feel any breaths? No more than 10 seconds. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Lock fingers, lock arms, centre of the chest. Hold the nose open. 30 compressions again.
Unit OK. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Open airway. Check breathing. Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest. Don't touch patient. Analyzing. Don't touch patient. Analyzing. Shock advised. Don't touch patient. Press flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Start CPR.